So if you want to check out my musical.ly, you can. Links is down below in the description. Don't judge me. But anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how you can do the upside down challenge perfectly. So you just need a few apps and a few techniques and some tips. So without any further ado, guys, let's go into the bathroom. You need a mirror, of course. I have a full-length mirror here, but you definitely need a mirror that like it cuts off, so like a dresser or anything of the sort. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm in the room right now. So this is a full-length mirror. You could use this mirror if you wanted to, but you'd need like some cushioning or something like that on the floor because you don't want to damage your phone. Or you could use this mirror, but as you can see, my TV's there, so it's not gonna work. So let's go into the bathroom. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the spot that it went down in. So basically I had these baskets down here to catch my phone when it's gonna fall. And let me just set this up for you guys in the corner so you could see what I'm doing when recording this thing. So make sure you could record in slow-mo. So you want to change it to the highest frames per second because the slow-mo is gonna look best when it's at the highest. So keep that to the highest. Go back into your camera and then record in slow-mo, which is right here. So you're gonna hold your phone like this. You want to make sure that you hold it steady enough so it falls straight down smoothly. You don't want to hold it like lean, so when it falls down you're not gonna see yourself while it's going down. So I want to hold the phone like this, hit record. You could do something crazy first, like twist up, get some nice shots, and then you let go and do something cool while it's falling. What I did was this. I look down, make sure it's good. I did something cool. 3, 2, 1. Something like that. That could work. So you can do something crazy. So this is the clip when it fell. So let's see. You want to make sure that it goes black as well. So let's see if this one is good. Let go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this one is not that good because as you can see, you can't really see my face when it's falling down. So that's not gonna work. So let's try it one more time. Drop. Let's check if this one is good. Alright, that one was good. Here we go. And it went black. Alright, so now let's go back into the studio because that's all you'd need. Everything else is within the apps I have for you guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so we have our video, which is this one right here. The 12-minute video, we're going to use this one. So what we're going to do is go ahead and crop out the parts that we don't need. So hit pause, go to edit. And this is the slow motion scrubber. And this is the trim and crop scrubber. So you want to trim it to make sure that we have the black part. You need to make sure that you have a black part. If it phone fell and it doesn't like black out, it's not gonna work perfectly. So make sure you have that black part trimmed, and let's trim to the part that I actually dropped the phone. So let's trim all the way down. I think I dropped the phone somewhere here. Save as new clip. You can delete the old clip because you don't need that one again. Go back to this one. Let's take a look at it. You might need to edit it again. So alright, so the phone was dropped around here. So I'm just crop that some more. Hit done. Save as new clip again. It looks simple in the video, but it's also a task, especially if you're doing it on your iPhone. So let me go into edit and make sure that it slows down at the part that I need it to. So I slow it down when I release the phone out my hands. So that's probably around here. Let's do it again. Hit play. Alright, that's sick. Alright, that's the one that we need, boys and girls. Alright, let's go to the App Store. So you just need to download this app, Reverse Vid. Download this from the App Store and iMovie. So you want to go into Reverse Vid, go into the libraries, and then import that 2-second video. Is it actually a 2-second video? That's crazy. Let's just play it to watch it. Yeah, it's a 2-second video. Alright, so we're gonna choose that one. It's gonna compress it and everything. The app is free, you don't have to worry about anything. Then once it's imported, it already reversed the video. So you just want to hit save. Just like that. And save video to the camera roll. So now you have 2 of the videos. So now you want to open iMovie, create a new project, hit movie. Then you want to go down and import the 2 videos that you just made. So your best bet is to go into videos, slow-mo, or recently added. So these are the 2 videos that I just added. So one, import this one first, then that one second. Create movie. So those are the 2 videos that we just did. So I want to make sure. So this is the one where it was falling, and this is the reverse. So alright, you need to touch this video, hit that magnifying glass, then zoom out so it gets that musically fit or Instagram fit. Touch that second one, pinch to zoom out. Then you want to remove this fade. Hit none. Alright, let's see what it looks like now. So if I'm scrubbing through, the phone fell. Then it gets back up. So let's play this to see what it looks like. Alright, so that transition time is a little bit too long. So you just want to go ahead and split it. Delete. Let's go again. Play. I could still take out some time here, so I'm just crop it a little bit. Let's go again. Alright, we could work with that. Yeah, we could work with that. Alright, so once we have that, guys, you could add any music you want, but the Stranger Things 2 makes it really lit. So if you want to learn how to download the Stranger Things 2 video, I already downloaded some. So you just want to go into Musical.ly, right here. Go into Musical.ly and find any songs with the Stranger Things 2. So type in Upside Down, or you could just get mine. Just go into my profile right here, Shevon someone. Go right here and download this video. So let me show you how to download the video. Hit that 3 stars, and then you want to go to message. Then you want to hit file right here. So it's downloading the thing and it would save it to your camera roll. So let's see if it does that. Let's try that again. File, exporting. Alright, so you could just send it to yourself through iMessage. That's what I did. Don't blow up my number. Go back into iMessage. Let me hide these texts. Oh, alright, so once it's sent through iMessage and everything, guys, you want to click the one that you received, hit that button right here, and save video. You can see that it takes a lot of patience, so if you have time and you want to do something really cool, it's worth it. Alright, so this is the video that I sent, because this is the one that I did. So let me show you how you could take the audio from this now. Go back into iMovie, sorry, go back into iMovie. You want to import that audio. So you go into videos, recently added, this one, hit that the three dots, go back to this, hit the 3 dots and choose the waveform. So hit the waveform only. Then it would only take the audio from the song. So now what we want to do is twist this audio video around. The second one, the second reverse video, twist it just like this. Then zoom, pinch to zoom out. Now let's play the video and see what it looks like. By the way, you could mute the audio just like that. Go all the way down to mute the audio. You can leave the reverse audio because it sounds cool. So let's play. Pretty sick. That's sick. So you want to make sure the music matches the transition perfectly. So that means we could still crop down this part a little so it matches the music perfectly. Let's try it again. That's sick. Alright, so now what we need to do, guys, is just export this. Hit save. Save video. And it exports it to your camera roll just like that. Super simple. Now you could put it onto Musical.ly or Instagram. Let me show you. Just put it on one of my Instagram accounts, like this one that I don't use. Go here, slide up, get your recent video. This is the one that we just made. Sick. So that's it, guys. That's how you made the video. You could post it to your Musical.ly. If you go right here, just go to your Musical.ly, pick from library, this one right here, hit next, processing the video. If it's looking small like that, what you need to do is upload it to Instagram first. If it's tiny on Musical.ly, upload it to Instagram. Upload it to your Instagram story. Once it's uploaded, hit the three dots, save video. Make sure you hit save video. And if you don't want it to stay on your IG story, go ahead and delete it once it's uploaded. So just go ahead and delete that video if you don't want it to stay there. Now you go back into Musical.ly, then you import the one that you just saved from IG, which is this one right here. Then hit next. It will process the video. You could add filters if you want, all that. Oh crap, come on. Hit next. Choose your tags and everything. Thank me if you want. Then you post it. I'll just save as private, but you could go ahead and post it just like that. So yes, guys, that's how you do the upside down challenge video. It's pretty easy, but it takes a lot of patience and time, especially if you're new to editing and all that. But it's pretty simple. You can do it on your PC if you're that advanced and you want to get crazy, like animations and filters and transitions and all that. But you can also do it on your phone easy as well. Use the same concept if you have an Android phone. Use the same textbook concept that I taught you and find some apps that could produce the same like content, produce the same procedures and everything like that, and you will be fine. So it could work for Android and iOS. So find something in place of iMovie, find something in place of the remove tool, and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like down below, share it with your friends, and show me your upside down challenge in the comments down below. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.